We're going to do number 1 for the practice exam. It says, for the following description, answer questions 1 to 2. The test statistic was calculated for a hypothesis test involving the means of 4 different groups. In each group, there were 35 individuals randomly selected from each of the 4 independent populations. The degrees of freedom for error are, alright, so to calculate degrees of freedom for error, what you need to do is you need to calculate the total individuals altogether in the test. So there's 35 individuals for each group, and we know that there's 4 different groups. So you multiply 35 times 4, which is 140. And then what you do is you subtract from this total the amount of groups there are altogether, and there are 4. So you go 140 minus 4, so n minus 4, which is 140 minus 4, and that's 136. The degrees of freedom for group, you calculate that by counting the amount of groups that you have, and it's 4 again, and subtracting 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So pretty basic. You should know this by now. The formula, if you want me to write it out for you, I can do that. Let me pull this up. Right, so I wrote it out. The degree of freedom for error is n minus I. Again, the total of all the individuals altogether minus the amount of groups there are. The degree of freedom for group is the total amount of groups there are minus 1. Again, this should all be pretty much an easy review for you.